Back to Joseph Big Boss Crypto, bringing on a day trading analysis on Bitcoin and on Chainlink. Bitcoin has moved nicely over the last couple of weeks, and we're still stalling between the 70k zone and the 66k zone. So, where do we go from next? Let's look at the charts. Yeah, and first of all, today will be kind of a slow day since we have bank holidays in the US and also in the UK. So there's not going to be a lot of volume coming in to the charts during today. So tomorrow will be when we see big moves probably. And as you know, the market making structure usually ends in a double top formation. And currently, if we start to move down from here towards this local low at 56k, we'll have a bigger correction. Unfortunately, guys, we could go all the way down to possibly this volume candle right here at 44k. So be prepared for that if we see this big double top confirmed. That doesn't mean it's the end of the bull run, but it's a bigger correction coming if we break this point right here at 56.5k. However, I don't see it likely because in my last day trading update I told you about, now it's a lot of lines everywhere, but I told you about this double bottom formation. Since we've been in a range, we broke out of it, had our first retrace, could have the first retrace, we could have a second leg up, second retrace, and then the third and final leg up towards the 80k zone. That's what I see likely, since we're seeing bullish aspects all over the place and the stock market is at all-time high. So the next point to trade towards is the 71k zone or the 70k zone. Break that, we go into new all-time highs, of course. So be mindful of this one right here, 56k, and also the volume candle, which is residing below all the way down to 61k. So keep that in mind. Still looking for a move towards 71k at least. Looking at the news events for this week, we have bank holiday, as I said, today. Tomorrow, no news. Same with Wednesday. We have the German CPI, which is big for the Eurozone. Other than that, kind of a chill week in terms of macro news. So tomorrow will be the big day where we see a lot of orders coming in left, right, and center. So be prepared for that. Looking at the liquidation map, as you can see, pretty slow, spread out. 30 million residing at 69k, and at 68k we have 25 million. So not a lot of money is going to be liquidated to the upside or to the downside. However, I do see more liquidation points to the downside. So the probability is that we kind of move to the downside towards 68k. And remember, this is not financial advice, this is just for education and entertainment purposes only. Now let's take a look at Chainlink. Yeah, Chainlink has been performing pretty well. We recovered this volume candle right here. As you can see, we marked it off in the charts. And we're currently stalling around that area as well at the top of the volume candle, which we created, or the market maker created, sorry. And in the bigger time frame picture, you can see we had the drop down, double bottom formation. We had our first leg up. We're waiting for our first retrace. Could go to recover this volume candle right here at $14.5. From there, we're gonna have a bounce up towards possibly the top of the where it last sold off from at $22.8. Have another retrace down sub $20, and then we're aiming towards that next volume candle, which is residing all the way up to $30, and that will be the big move coming for Chainlink as far as I see. Remember, this is not financial advice. It's just for education and purpose only. So next move coming up, as far as I can see, is to recover this one candle, which is kind of a big one candle. So a lot of open orders are yet to be filled in that area. It will be great to fill those, at least half of them, at $14.5, and then bam, move out of there towards where the last sold off from, which is this candle right here. With that being said, I hope you learned something and that you have a good day. Big Boss out.